So we already know the status of Steph in game 2. He's out. Obviously, I've not evaluated Steph. This is the NBA playoffs. He's one of the greatest players in the world. But here's what we know about hamstring injuries. So Steph Curry left game 1 against the T-Wolves with what they're calling a grade 1 hamstring injury. So with the grade 1 hamstring strain, what you're looking at is pain, difficulty walking, difficulty running, and we can see that the recovery times usually are between a few days and maybe a week or 2. So again, while I have not evaluated Steph, you're gonna see a difference in these timelines because he's an NBA player, he's getting treatment around the clock, and they're in the playoffs. So with a grade 2 hamstring strain, you're seeing a much higher number of muscle fibers being injured, but it's not quite a full rupture. There's definitely pain at the time of injury, and it's not really conducive for running. What we see in those kind of timelines is 4 weeks at the earliest that you can get back, up to 8 weeks typically. So with a grade 3 hamstring strain, you're seeing a high level of pain due to a high number of muscle fibers being injured. It can also be a full rupture. There's usually a popping sensation. There's a lot of weakness in the muscle, and you can have a lot of difficulty walking after that. For those injuries, you can see a timeline of around 3 months, and sometimes they require surgery. If you come in with a hamstring strain, it's gonna look a little different than probably what Steph is getting. You're gonna get objective testing, we're gonna look at range of motion and your strength, and then we're gonna track that over time and make sure you get back to doing the things you wanna do athletically, like running, jumping, and sprinting.